Partition in Python splits up a string into the part before a separator string, the separator string itself, and the part after the separator string. Here, if you partition hello on the E, you get a tuple with the string H, then the string E, finally the string LLO. If you partition on the letter at the end of the string representing the part after the separator character will be empty. Similarly, if you partition on the letter at the start of the string representing the part before the separator character will be empty. If you partition with a string that appears more than once, the first occurrence of the string is selected, so partitioning on L will get you a tuple with the string he, then the string L, finally the string lo. Finally, if you partition with a string that doesn't appear in the string, you'll get a tuple where the first element is the entire string, and the other two elements are empty strings. I'm going to surprise you. Split in Python splits a string into a list of characters. Here's some examples to see how split works. Just calling hi.split splits hi on any spaces. Obviously it has no spaces, so it returns a list containing just the string hi. Okay, let's add a space. Hi space I.split splits the string on spaces, meaning it returns a list containing the string h, then the string I. Even if you add a bunch of spaces between the h and I, split still returns the list containing h, then I. You don't have to just split on spaces though. If you pass one argument to split, you can split on a specific character. For instance, if you had Jenny's number, 8675309, and then split it on the dash character, you would get a list containing the string 867, then the string 5309. If you're wondering, you can't do something like hello and then split on the empty string and split hello into all of its characters. You could just pass some string like hello into the list constructor to achieve that goal though. The last thing, if you give split 2 arguments, you can specify the number of splits for split to do. Say you have 1 through 4 separated by a dash. Dash and 0 would give you a list with just the original string. If you pass in higher than 0, think of that like the number of bits that split will cut off. 1 will split the 1 off, 2 will split the 1 and 2 off, and so on for higher numbers. Like and subscribe to learn more.